Chapter 2, Part 1, continuing.
It must have the required minimum amounts that we described earlier. To learn more about other acceptable ways to prove financial responsibility, contact your local Department of Public Safety driver license office. Failure to show proof of liability. If an owner or operator of a vehicle does not show proof of financial responsibility when required, a traffic citation may be issued. If financial proof can be provided that reveals a liability insurance policy was in effect when the citation was issued, the court will dismiss the citation. However, if a driver is convicted of operating a motor vehicle without evidence of financial responsibility, the driver may be given a fine from $175 to $350. If a second incident occurs and the driver is still unable to prove proper financial liability, the driver's license and motor vehicle registration will be suspended. There are other circumstances when the driver's license and motor vehicle registration will be automatically suspended. For example, if while uninsured, the driver has a collision, 1, and another person is killed, 2, or another person is injured, 3, or there is at least $1,000 damage to another person's property, licensing and registration are both suspended. When required to maintain proof of financial responsibility, the proof must remain on file for at least 2 years. Chapter 2 Review. As we finish this unit, let's review a few important details about licensing, vehicle inspections, and insurance. Texas residents must maintain a current license to be allowed to drive in the state. New residents of Texas who are properly licensed in their own state or country have 90 days after moving to Texas to secure a Texas driver license. Class C licenses permit driving non-commercial vehicles, such as cars, pickup trucks, SUVs, and vans. The minimum age to qualify for a Class C license is 18 years of age. A driver who is 16 years old and has completed an approved driver education course also qualifies for a Class C license. An instruction permit, or learner's license, allows unlicensed drivers to legally practice driving with a licensed driver in the front seat. The licensed driver must be at least 21 years of age and been driving for at least 1 year. To apply for an instruction permit, you must be at least 18 years of age or be a 15-year-old who has passed an approved driver license education course. A provisional license is issued to someone under the age of 18 who does not have an instruction permit. It is a probationary license and must be renewed when the person turns 18 years of age. When applying for a license, you will need to provide or do the following. 1. Bring personal information. 2. Bring your identification documents. 3. Bring other information that DPS requires. 4. Pass an exam that tests your knowledge of road signs, traffic signals, and the rules of the road. 5. Take and pass a vision test. 6. Take proof of liability insurance for the vehicle you will use for the driving test. 7. If you are applying for a Class C license, you may drive a car, van, pickup truck, or SUV. 8. The vehicle must have a current inspection certificate. 9. If you need corrective lenses, you must wear them. If you have an instruction permit, you must have a licensed driver aged 21 or older in the front seat with you. The day your license expires will be printed on the front of the license. If you change your name or address, you must report it to the DPS within 30 days. Driving without a valid driver license is against the law. The first conviction can result in fines up to $200. Additional violations can result in increased fines and jail time.